Here's a simple demonstration of LibreOffice. In this demo, we will show you some Writer, Calc, Impress, and Base applications. LibreOffice Writer is the answer to Microsoft 365's Word. Some of the features include text formatting like bold, strike-through, font type, font color, etc. Creating forms using LibreOffice. Creating and customizing templates for specific needs. Creating, deleting, and editing tables. Enhance your LibreOffice Writer experience by using the Extension Manager. There are lots of extensions that help you achieve advanced results. The default extension of LibreOffice Writer is ODT. This extension is compatible with Microsoft 365, Calligra, Google Docs, and other Office suites. Writer can also open docx files from Microsoft 365. This demonstration shows functions that are available to users when composing a standard document. We are about to end the LibreOffice Writer demonstration. Please continue watching to see the other LibreOffice applications. Thank you. LibreOffice Calc is the answer to Microsoft 365's Excel spreadsheet. Features of LibreOffice Calc include basic formatting and various formulae, OLEs, macros, protect sheet feature, extension manager. The default extension of LibreOffice Calc is ODS. This extension is compatible with Microsoft 365, Calligra, Google Docs, and other Office suites. Calc can also open XLSX files from Microsoft 365. It mixes and matches two datasets to calculate, automate, and display the results. In this demo, Sheet 2 contains data that needs linking to Sheet 1 and automatically compute the results. We are about to end the LibreOffice Calc demonstration. Please continue watching to see the other LibreOffice applications. Thank you. LibreOffice Impress is the answer to Microsoft 365's PowerPoint. Features of LibreOffice Calc include lots of templates to choose from, basic formatting, shapes, forms, fontworks, etc., macros, extension manager. The default extension of LibreOffice Impress is ODP. This format is compatible with Microsoft 365, Calligra, Google Docs, and other Office suites. This simple demo shows how easy it is to create a presentation. We used a blank page to add some text and borders. We have updated the borders and colors, added background image and text animation. We are about to end the LibreOffice Impress demonstration. Please continue watching to see the other LibreOffice applications. Thank you. LibreOffice Base is the answer to Microsoft 365's Access. Features of LibreOffice Calc include creating tables in Design View and Design Table, creating query in Design View and SQL View, creating forms in Design View, reporting, extension manager. The default extension of LibreOffice Base is ODB. Different database systems can import data created from LibreOffice Base. The method may vary depending on the target database solution. This demo shows a simple database of information where we can run several SQL queries to extract precise data. We are about to end the LibreOffice Base demonstration. Thank you. In summary, LibreOffice is a replacement for Microsoft 365's offering. It is free, and you can access the source code. Students, professionals, and even businesses can use LibreOffice. It can run on Windows, Mac OS, and various Linux distributions. It works even without internet connectivity. An online version is in the works. The caveat of opening and editing LibreOffice's native file formats relies on the depth of features used. For example, if a user just typed a writer document without any formatting, then it is most likely that Google Docs or Microsoft 365 can read and edit the file. The possibility of reading or editing the file with other Office suite providers will be affected. If there is complex formatting or customization. If you liked or enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.